Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how secure BMO Bank online banking is. BMO, like other major financial institutions, uses a multi-layered approach to protect your online banking. They employ strong security measures to keep your information and money safe. First, BMO uses state-of-the-art encryption to secure all data transmitted between your device and their servers. They also have powerful firewalls to prevent unauthorized access. For extra security, BMO offers and encourages two-step verification, where you confirm your identity with a one-time code sent to your phone or email. This is crucial for protecting your account from unauthorized sign-ins. Furthermore, BMO has a digital banking guarantee, which promises to reimburse you for any losses from unauthorized transactions in your personal accounts. They also provide security alerts that notify you of suspicious account activity. While BMO has these robust protections in place, it's essential for you to do your part. You should create strong, unique passwords and never share them. Be cautious of phishing scams, which are fraudulent emails or texts trying to trick you into revealing your personal information. Only log into your account through the official BMO website or mobile app. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.